Hello. This is Lady Hill, and I'm going to be recording how to make sure everything is set on FileZilla for to load. So, of course, you're going to go to Site Manager, and wherever it is, which is right here. So let me go to transfer settings. Make sure it's on. I think it's active, like so. And then once you do there, you're going to put the port number, the username, administrative password. Alright, and there you go. It's going to log in. So you want to make sure when you go to your FileZilla again on Site Manager, you're going to go to transfer settings, and you're going to make sure that the transfer mode is on active. Once the transfer mode is set to active versus default, because for whatever reason on default it's not working. Okay, once it's set to active, you're going to say connect, and then it's going to obviously open the directory. Of course, you're able to go on to your media file accordingly and upload whatever you need to be uploaded. All right, I pray that helps, and there you go.